Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola. Budia Tomba bongo. Bufinga mfundi Banantaku Sumbulukata kumambende Oni samuja, otubele, otukala Ambe zungulukata kumambende Oni samuja, otubele, otukala Wajabari Maela kokele Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba Feba Watombolaka Wafinga mfundi Feba Wafinga mfundi Bimba Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe Feba Na tombolaka Feba Wafinga mfundi Feba Wafinga mfundi Bimba Tomola tonda Bundiri mwamba o Ni ayokela kanji ni ayokela Yokele kanji ni ayokela Yokela kanji ni ayokela Yokele kanji ni ayokele Sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bagala ntangu ifueni katula mpwineja nzungma desiberi gagana ni embiri kiao na ni embiri yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba Feba na tombolaka Feba Wafinga mfundi Feba Wafinga mfundi Bimba na lamba mwamba lamba super Feba na tombolaka Feba Wafinga mfundi Feba Wafinga mfundi Bimba tomola tonda bundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bagala katula mpwini aja ya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye attack Deba Pula Ni ayokela kanji ni ayokela yokele kanji ni ayokela yokela kanji ni ayokela yokele kanji ni ayokele Sadila ntangu atiri ntweni ange mwana bagala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo Sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bagala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo Sadila ntangu nge mwana bagala nzunguma desiberi gagana ni embiri kiao na embiri yao nge mwana bagala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge Lamba mwamba lamba ntoba Feba na tombolaka Feba Wafinga mfundi Feba Wafinga mfundi Bimba na lamba mwamba lamba supwe Feba na tombolaka Feba Wafinga mfundi Feba Wafinga mfundi Bimba Songi Ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi Songi la njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisi sansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako Mwanangele kwa mye Sima unwini menga Malabagu bobo Malabagu bobo mwenga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Munsongi songela njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbu shitani ya itatuma nsangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando Mwana kwa mye Sima unwini mwenga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mwenga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Najika Nayebesa Naluika Kabuta bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi songela njila 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 Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mwenga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mwenga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mwenga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo Mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba Kusangi nikota njecha musu ni bala banku ni mama lemba Na bala malombo ni kwetombe na bala bimpompolo mama lemba Mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba Nchi wala 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 Nitomba mama lemba njene na lamba mwana yake Chamuzuna ni chamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake Mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfumbu ni kwetombe Gana teko gana nchiwe gana wala 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 mama lembe Mama ngana nzila tolokolote yako mama lembe Nzadi ambuka ele menena nge kusumamba kosomamba ni diambu jantoto ubungu nteto wera nde kosomamba we na chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kaye menena nde kosomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu bunwa mamba dzunu chanchima chikotele ukelo wo uluta uwa utakelo moka chena teko cha malemba che kumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwanto fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba. C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talatin kelo wa malemba iwo na kadzunu kubishimba mu ekabo beto bansoni titaba mori anchiwo wanla wayemene na gande ko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I, let's stick together. Lego, Kolanda tenzela ya mabe, malembe tokukoma. Mokile tondi magambo ebele, ya sala na kimya. Eloko nyose kwa makanangonga nango.
Yambote, tatalen.
Kiambote da Tampanzo.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Tunama vimpi, yeno, eh?
Yetepe tunama vimpi, titondele. Yambulato wa kaisa enkangu. Translation total. Yambulato wa kaisa enkangu.
Wow.
You hit the road running, eh? Kaisa
Yeah.
to say hello, to greet.
Okay.
Kaisa to greet. Nkangu, people, audience. Hello, if you are watching, we thank you. Do not move, please. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola. Angola, please.
Angola,
Gabon, yes.
Gabon, Congo, Kinshasa, Congo, Brazzaville.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay. Kunanzo lunama vimpi tata.
Kunanzo
Yes.
Mavimpi.
Yes. Lunama vimpi, yeah. Make sure you focus on the verb, yes.
Okay.
Kunanzo lunama vimpi. What is the verb tata? Which one? Which? The infinitive, the verb. Luna.
Okay.
Now, what's the verb, the infinitive of the luna? The verb, the infinitive. Because luna is a conjugated. We already conjugated, no? K, yeah? Verb
Yeah,
yes.
kala.
Yeah. Gina, una,
Yeah.
una, ukena, tuna, luna. Luna vimpi, yeah.
Oh, you said lunama vimpi.
Yeah, this is the verb kala, remember?
Yeah. Right, kala,
yes.
yeah. Lunama vimpi.
So you answer, kunanzo tunama vimpi.
Kunanzo tunama vimpi, yes.
Yes. Kuba mene? Kuba mene, it's think of an ezo, yes? Kuba mene? Kuba ma, to get ready, to be ready. Kuba mene?
Is it
Kuba mene. Kuba mene.
Kuba mene, okay. Kuba
mene, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, be ready. Okay, I'm going to play a small video clip, yes, Kikongo. It is my village where I come from. So that one is it is Kikongo, yes. Are you ready to that? Just take note of any words, yes. Kikongo. Okay. Yes. Ready?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
Koningina ye ingutu kiya imbanze kivange lyako wao kibalo kavo kitomulute mutangu katutuka kuna 25 tuyiza kwako mudambuli patu kali akaizetu kwa tu kilibo shabavu ayene ko 25 wao tuishidi kwako mukuse vutuka bonsuna akela kaizetu kutuvangila ngapatu ya imbanza egaga luisi digawo bensaw kekena kunavo nzenza ukaka utuka katu kyaki isina kikivanga lyako kiutu kilisedi yawo mbutetu yetu mbutishima unyoka mwana andi yona utete unavo ministro da ambiente vice ministro da ambiente yandi izulu kulli tete dimbutetu mbutishima unyoka mamukivanga lyako engudi yawo imbutetu yetu pangetu ngusuzani mazenzela iuti digawo idiawo kiyaza tuno kyako lukene bo kavile kene ukuna tuki idiazo levo gesa tunga mbanza ivutuka bonso una ikele bonso una abo tunga kwenu kuna sulu sawe tukiyadi mimi tuma kala kya bonso bo katuna yigatu kuntwala kinga tuvuidigana ngena si sambute jigatu sinu kiyaza tuno kyawo pashin vye mutuna za muna kedi kagenu mojulu mwana kutunjila forma luteku wejele luteku sa zungidi luwatikidi kuna kuza koti munjila yine mumogu tutapila yawo kali lukidi kesa diaga mutapa hivyo njila tufati koti sama kami ingisa luteku sa yishidi yine mumogu tutapila yi
ya delegação e associação yishidi kwaku
bon yo delegação yishidi associação ikolu luisidi mawoso no oluyatikidi kwako mavate kutuyufulusa ikuna sira lyako lukwene kuna mbongi tsatu tunazao getu mutomisa zunga kikwilu lutomisa kyao kakatoka kafeti kitomisa kugelu nukuntwala luyalo yelu nukuntwala luyalo gatu lufeti tomisa getu tuna kwako nima ibosh tubaka kikesa lyaka muvate patu mvimba kadi wao na tuvate patu mufuile jina keshte mmono kwa yamvu ivo budika gelu foti tunga lyaka kalu sochi kuna avo tuntu tapele yamu lyaka munti lyaka sao zoji tson kumba mona gustu kizeko bon mono kengine korna dawra ku kashi mono wavu yetukul tugana shingole ke kikulu me kileso solo kuvo tukala kaka muna pashi pile anga yuna va fulu tufuidi yenu matoko luna muna atawe tufudi tuna mesu yetu zoji tsoni fetikala ku yenu diak votu lweka kuna zunga kiao tala unangena tala foro magan kala vot mutuma zai kwa ni vol tula ngondo kuntwal nzang kulikana tuzaisi lumona madioku lumona diaka koyi nzau diaka lumona diaka enguba iboshikana bobi yinga gati mu
nzai di ephunza mupente kekelenge kwakelele kumoshi i president net akele mupente yandi ukele mnani usalidenge kumenga lo ilo sasu nzai iboshi oluishi di tuitomana yangalela muliambu echi gata tomisanga yogena kuntwala tutomana yangalela ditete tutondele diaka odu luishi di kwako emwe yenu luishi di yenu lufeti tomisachi ayenu luishi di yenu lufeti tomisachi edia yivate pe utuyadi yenu lufeti tomisakui kagatwan kaka
avata yekenani
ayenu
akimboze
ekumbwa kungeyi epanzu tuzayizayi panzu zayi likizayi kwa makumbu yinkaka ha bensawo apanzu nani oh
Yes. Kiambote nengotariwa.
Kiambote tata.
Nina mabimpi.
Ngeta kuna mabimpi. Yenu
Etepe tuna mabimpi. Diambote, ngizambote, tutondele. Sonekene nengotariwa. Sonekene?
Sonekene.
Sonekene, yes.
Sonekene fiot.
Okay. Diambote ke diambuke tata. Why tata ale sonekene?
Sonekene.
Diambote. Ewa ukamba kimambo sonekene. Kimambo sonekene. Kimambo sonekene. Sonekene. I have written. Kimambu, what have you written? Kimambu sonekene.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Sonekene, okay, Tukidi.
Yes.
Hutuka, Vangila.
Yes.
Kumbwame.
Yes.
Panjuzai. Yandi Yuan. Hey. Tuka. No. Vangila vai Mbanza Nzenza tuka katu Yandi Vanda Diaku Mpatu
Yes.
Budika Tunga that's no Tutondele Luisidi Kwaku.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now well done, Tatana. Well done, bravo. Because if you can understand that man, because mind you is this is it. Is it from the villages?
Yeah, he's speaking very fast.
Yeah, the first man is the first person. I mean, according to other class, I did play to French class. I mean, they say that the first person, his Kikongo is clear, but it's very fast.
It's very fast.
The second one is very hard, but the second person is speaking, his Kikongo is very hard. Man is speaking slowly.
Slowly, yeah.
Okay, well done, Tatana, bravo.
Yeah, the second person's name was Mpanzu Nzai. And then they asked.
I'm going to explain it soon.
Oh, okay,
His
okay.
name is we are going to understand. Well done, Tatana. I give you 10 out of 10. Yes, because this is hard, you know, it's not easy.
Okay.
Well done. That name what I do. This is the second time, yeah. This is the second hearing, yeah. That name what I do.
Sonekene Kizolo level. Nzawe tu. Twala Luyalu.
Yes.
And Tutomene Yangalele.
Yes.
Fete Tomese.
Well done. Tata David here. What is Luyalu?
Luyalu is government, I know.
Yes. Luyalu government. Yes. Luyalu government, yes. Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote.
Yeah. Okay, let me just ask Tata, when the second person, Tata David, sorry, we were watching the video clip. I'm going to play it again. If you can take notes, Tata David, yes, I'm going to play it again. Basically, the first person, I'm going to, Tata David is cheating because you're going to have the answer already. The second person was, because the person behind the camera, I mean, is my brother, we look alike. So, that person was saying, I know you, you are Panzu. You understand that? I know you, I know you, I remember you, you come from here. You're Panzu. Now, then they say, no, I'm not Panzu. Kumbagu Panzu, yeah? Kumbagu Panzu is Zaidi. I know you as a Panzu. Zaidi, I mean, Isaiah, the verb Zaya, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, Tatana?
Yes, I got it. Okay.
I know you, I remember you, you're Panzu. Then people behind the camera said, no, this is not Panzu. This is someone else, his brother. Then his second question was Panzu Nani. Tatana, can you translate me, please? Panzu Nani.
Yeah, what Mpanzu? Did he say Mpanzu Leke? Or Leki?
Yeah, well done. Other people behind the camera were saying, no. Panzu is his younger brother, yes.
Oh, okay.
Lake Andy. Lake means young, small, young. Yes.
And what does the verb Zaya mean?
Zaya, to know. I'm going to play the video again. Tata David, don't worry. Have you got your pencil, pen? Tata David, ready?
Yes.
Yes. Just scribble anything you can. I mean, just pay attention to the person because this is my village. This village was built, I mean, this village was built in 1975, 76, yes. 76, I was there. Okay, Tata David, ready? Yeah, off we go. There are two persons. The first person is very fast. The second is slow. Off we go.
Kolingi naye ingutu kiya imbanze kivange lyako wao kibalo kavo kitomulute mutangu katutuwa kuna 25 tuyiza kwako mudyambuli patu kalya kaizetu kwa tu kilibo shabavu dayene ko 25 wao tuishili kwako mukuse vutu kwa bonsuna akela kaizetu kutuvangila nga patu ya imbanza egaga luisi ligawo bensawo kekene kunavo nzenza kukaka utu kakatu kyaki isine kikivanga lyako kiutu kilise lyawo mbutetu yetu mbutishima unyoka mwana aliyona utete unavo ministro da ambiente vice ministro wa ambiente yandi izulu kuli tete dimbutete mutishima unyoko mamukivanga diako engudi yawo imbutete yetu pangetu ngusuzani mazenzela iuti digawo idiawo kietse tuna kya kolukene vo kavile kene ukuna tuki idiazo levo gesa tunga mbanza yivutuka bonso una ikele bonso una avo tunga kwenu kuna suru sawe tu kiadi mimi lutoma kala kya bonso vo katuna yigatu kuntwala kinga tuvuidigana gena si sambute jigatu sinu kietse tuna kiao pasi mvye mtuna za muna kedi kagenu mojulu mwana kutunjila forma lutekujela lutekusa zungidi luwatikidi kuna kuza koti munjila zi yina mumogu tutapila yao kali lutiki kesa diaga mutapa hivyo njila tufati koti sama kami ingisa lutekusa yishidi yina mumogu tutapila yi
ya delegação e associação de quadro que levou no anda tu fanga
bon yo delegação yishidi associação ko luisidi ma woso no olu yatigiri kwa koma vate kutu yufulusa yikuna sira diaga lukwele kuna mbongo satu tunazao getu mutomisa zunga kikui lutomisa kiao kagatoka kafeti kitomisa kugelo nukuntwala luyalo yelo nukuntwala luyalo yelo nukuntwala luyalo gatu feti tomisa getu tulekwa kunima ibosh tubaga kikesa diaka mubate patu mvimba kadi wawu na tubate patu mufuile jina keshte mmoja kwa yamvu ivo budika gelu fati tunga diaka kalu sochi kuna abo tuntu tapele yamu diaka munti diaka sawo zoji tson kumba mona gustu kizek bon mono kangine coordinador ku kashi monu wavu yetukul tugana shingola ke kikulu me kileso solo ku tukala kaka mona pashi pele ange yuna va fulu tufuidi yenu matoko luna mun ata tufudi tuna mesu yetu zoji tsoni fetikala ku yenu diaka votu lweka kuna zunga kiao tala unagena tala forum again kala vot mutoma zai kwa nivel tula ngondo kuntwala nzang kulikana tuzaisi lumona madioku lumona diaka ko yinzau diaka lumona diaka enguba iboshkana bobi kuba yinga gatu mu
nzai di epunza mupente kekeleng kwa keleleng kumosi yi president net akele mupente yandi ukele mnani usadidenge kumenga lo ilo sasi nzali iboshi oluisi di tutomana yangalela muliambu echi gata tomisanga yogena kumtwala tutomana yangalela ditete tutondele diaka ondu luisi di kwako enwe yeni luisi di yeni lufeti tomisachi ayeni luisi di yeni lufeti tomisachi ya yivate pe utu kangei ya yivate ikuilu diadi yeni lufeti tomisa kui kagatwan kaka
avata yekenai
ayeni ekumbu akunge yi epanzu duzu ayizayi panzu zayi kizayi kwa makumbu yinkaka ha bensawo apanzu nani oh
Yes, Tata David, what have you written, Tata David? If you've written at all.
Yeah. Very, very little. I heard him refer several times to this town or this village, Yayambanza. It sounded like he said several prominent people have come and gone, and we thank them for what they've done. and then of course I heard that section where he was talking to your brother and asking. He was saying, well, you're Mpanzu, but that was about it.
That's good. Thank you very much. Any new words?
The first person's name was Augusto.
Augusto.
Said something.
I didn't really.
Kized.
I just listened, but
That's good. No worries. Any new words?
I mean, I think because he talked about the Minister of Ambiente, which is
no, talk. Yeah, okay. Let's go to Patu. What's Patu? Patu. The word Patu. MPATU. Patu. Any? Patu is field, yeah, field, farm, yeah. Patu. That's what it is. Patu. MPAN. Let me give 1 minute.
Yeah, you said MPATU, right? That's what the guy was talking about. The first guy.
Yeah, Patu. Patu means field. You plow.
Farm. Yeah.
Yeah, you plow the Patu. Yes. Sorry. Yes, you understand. That's early. Yes, that's early.
Yeah.
You plow the Patu. You plow the Patu. Patu. Field. Here you are. Yes, totally. Patu.
Okay.
Vata means totally Vata. VATA. What does it mean? I'm going to tell you. Vata. You have a field. You have a farm. What do you do? Sorry.
Oh, like you farm or you cultivate.
To plow. Vata.
To plow.
You have to farm to plow. Yes. Vata. Some word we use for village. Yes. Vata.
Oh, what is?
Luyalu. I'm going to tell you. Luyalu means.
Means government.
Yes. Then ministers, I mean governors. How do you call you governor? What is the verb anyway? Luyalu. Can you guess?
You said the verb?
Luyalu governor.
How do you spell it? Is it you said Luyalu?
Luyalu. One minute. Luyalu. Luyalu. I give 1 minute. Luyalu. Yes, Luyalu.
Okay.
You know the verb totally. Drop the first syllable. Lu. Drop Lu. You have
Yalu.
Yalla. The verb yalla.
Yalla.
To rule. To govern. Yeah. And I'm going to tell you this. Then you governors, you call them, I mean.
Yeah.
Republican. Okay. Republican.
Did they say it?
Sorry?
Did they say the word governors in the recording?
No. Just say Luyalu, yes. Miyadi. Governors, I mean, leaders, yes? Whoever is in the power, yes? That's what it is?
Yes.
Miyadi. I give you a very, very important word. Please remember this. Let me just display it because translation is always hard. Mbongi. What is Mbongi? Write it down. Very important for us. For us Africans. Yeah?
Mine.
Sorry?
Bongo. Oh, sorry.
No. Mbongi is a very important word for us Africans. What? We are alive, so I need to control myself. basically, our ancestors lived before Portuguese or all these people came to Africa. We lived like just a picture yourself. You have Amazon. See Amazon, yes? You have tribes. They live in the bush. Then when they arrived, Western people, they arrived in Africa. What they did, they tried to quote unquote urbanize land. Yes. So they will build a road toward the. Have this picture, Amazon. They build a road through Amazon, yes?
Yes,
Then
they
they
did.
call all the people from your wherever you are, your tribe inside the bush, inside the forest, come build your village on the road. Yes? So on the road. Yes, beside the road. Yes, totally.
Yeah. I know exactly what you mean. Yeah. So that you
Yes.
take the people from the inside and you bring them closer to the road.
Yes. Then okay, they create villages beside the road so that you can control them.
Yep.
Then you build Mbongi. Mbongi is you could call it not town hall, but where the ruler, the Portuguese big man, chief and his deputy staff, we build the house. This Mbongi, yes? Headquarter of the Portuguese colonial power inside the villages, yes?
Okay.
This was called Mbongi. Mbongi, you could use Mbongi for town hall, and basically the center over the power, yes?
Okay, center of power. Okay.
Where's the power? Where the leader or the minister, the president, the minister,
Is it like the capital?
state governor lives? Yeah, the capital, quote unquote capital, yes. Mbongi. Yes. As you could see on that video, village, really village. I live there. When nowadays I lived there in 75 years, 78. At that time, village was a village. When I say village, I mean village. Those houses are. When you talk about the environment, we were there. Yes, everything is come from the bush. So nowadays there's a change. Okay, there's a pollution. I like village to be a village. I don't like it to people quote unquote urbanize village. There's no point. Yes. Yes. We have our own plates. From the everything from the nature. Okay, let us talk now. Any questions?
Yeah, what we went through it very quickly. What is Minyadi?
Okay,
Please.
Miyadi, because this one comes from Yala, yeah, Yalu, the government.
Yeah.
Miyadi, so we go Miyadi. I mean the plural. M in Congo General, Ma plural. Governors, yes. Minister, it is Congo. You could apply it. I don't know, wherever you think it fits. Yes, Tatane, are you with me,
Okay.
Tatane?
Mm-hmm.
Miyadi.
All right.
Miyadi.
Totally.
Thank you very much. Okay, let us talk. Tatane, Kiambo de Tata.
Chiamote tata.
Luna Vimpi.
Tunama vimpi yeyeno, eh?
Ah, Munupi Vimpi Ngina. Yeto Vimpi Tuna. Bambote Luna. Tatale. Bambote Luna.
Bambote ngina.
Mind you, Bambote
Oh,
plural.
plural. Okay.
Bambote Luna, on behalf of the crowd, yes, you answering. Bambote Luna.
It would be Mambote ngina.
Bambote Tuna. Bambote Tuna, yes.
Bambote Bambote
Yeah,
tuna.
Bambote Luna. Always pay attention to the verb, yes. Bambote Luna, your verb is kala, yes.
Yes.
Bambote Tuna. Yes, we are focused on, we are used to Lunama Vid by, can we try, we can use another form of greetings, yes? Same thing. Bambote Luna. Bambote Tuna. So, yes, Nengote, over to you.
I have a question,
Go
Tatampa.
ahead.
So you said that we have to use different ways of saying how are you. Is
Yeah.
away another way of saying how are you?
I wouldn't go there, but way too informal, yeah?
It's informal, okay.
Very. Away just hi, hello, hi, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
hey, yes. Hi, man. Is that like saying away, very informal? Then remember, but Congo people are very formal, so you wouldn't say that to an elder. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. That's all, yes. Bambote, okay. Remember, we have Wambote Ngina, Wambote Una, Wambote Kena, Bambote Tuna, Bambote Luna, Bambote Bena. This one side and one bit. The another part is when you introduce your emphatic, yes. Remember, as soon as you introduce your emphatic, to Lu, there is a change. It's same thing, but there's a change in the tone. Remember, two becomes two, then two and W, then A, yes? Two become toi, yes?
Toi.
Yeah. Sorry, no, tell you Lu becomes
Loi.
Lua. Bambot, plural, you don't, I mean, the third plural, don't touch, don't turn. There's no change, yes? Just remember, when you're using emphatic, when I ask you, Tatanle, Luambote kweno luna, you answer Tatanle, please, on behalf of the crowd.
Toi,
Go ahead, yes.
Tuambote Tuna.
Use emphatic in the middle. Tuambote. Tua goes with emphatic. If you're using tua,
Okay.
you
Yeah,
must.
okay.
Tua goes with emphatic, yes.
Toi. So it would be what? Tuambote.
My question was, Luambote kweno luna. Remember, we just this is third, second plural. You are first plural. Luambote kweno luna.
Okay.
You're using two, but you put
Yeah.
W, yes.
So Tuambote.
Yes.
You said Queno, right? Was that?
I'm asking you many, yeah. You answer. You answering on
Yeah.
behalf of the crowd. We.
Yeah. So it's Tuambote
Yes.
Is it Kwetu
Kwetu.
to
Yes. Kwetu.
Kwetu Tuna?
Yes. Just remember, emphatic is made of. Who can help me here? Emphatic. Emphatic. What is emphatic pronoun?
Would that be
Kwetu.
Kwetu?
It's Kwetu. Yeah. I'm just trying to help here. I just want to make sure that you understand.
Is it Kuaneto?
Yeah, we have a KW, and your suffix,
Well,
yes?
first person singular, it's Kwame, right?
Well done, yes. So we have Ame, Aku, Andi. That's why we in the Kikongo linguists, I call them suffix, because the way it's used, very hard to try to define it. So in this case, at least, it is we're using for emphatic. So emphatic is your prefix KW, then you add your suffix. Are we clear on that? We need to be. Tentative, yes? Because ame is everywhere. Ame yaku is everywhere. When I say yame, it's mine. You understand? Yame, yaku, yours, ye no, you many, yao. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Yame means mine. Yame, yaku, yandi. Careful. I'm not saying Andy. Yandi. Just remember as soon as you hit Ame Aku, one of those, just remember it is a suffix. Now you need to focus on what is the prefix. That's all, yes?
Okay.
Confused?
A little bit.
No. Just remember. Do you know your suffixes? Suffixes. That's all.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry. Don't worry. As long as you know that, don't worry, because that's why they call them suffixes, because the way it's used, when you put KW suffix becomes Kwame, becomes emphatic pronoun. Yes.
Oh yeah, no, I got. Okay, no, I understand. I understand what you mean. Yeah.
If I put the prefix Y,
why? Yeah.
it come possessive. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Possessive. Yeah, it becomes
Mine.
possessive.
Yeah.
Mine, yeah. Okay.
What is? Yeah, you could say Yame, Kiame. Are you with me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just remember the suffix. Kiame. Yes. Diaku. Remember those. This case is possessive. We need to study demonstrative, but it's in some kind of it's along those lines. I mean, some kind of stuff. Yes. When I say diame, remember di. Yes, it is your singular suffix. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I would say diaki diame. Remember the object concord. Yes, that's it. Diaki diame. Just remember ame. Think of ame. Don't worry about the other stuff. Focus on the ame. Yes.
Yeah.
Diaki diame.
Yeah.
Because the diaki is di, the syllable di diame, concord. Mambu mame, mambu, diambu singular, mambu plural. Yes. Mambu mame, diambu diame. Are you with me?
Yeah, no, I got it. Like my diaki, like my egg or my.
Yeah, but just think of, remember concord, object concord. Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Kikutu kiame. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. We're not talking demonstrative. Here is a possessive. Yes. Am I right? Yes.
Yes. You know. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Remember we used to. I mean, we did spend a lot of time long time on demonstrative. Yes. Ekikutu kia ki ozolanga kyo. Yeah. Yeah. Kikutu kia ki demonstrative. Yeah. This. This. Okay. Any questions? Time is gone.
No, I don't have it. I don't have it.
Okay. Tata David, Cambote Tata.
Cambote.
Luambote Luna. Tata David. Luambote Luna.
Bambote Tuna.
Yeah, but my question was Lua. Remember Lua? Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to do it again. Sorry. I confused you. Okay, forgive me. It's my mistake. Luambote Kweno Luna. Sorry, tell me. Luambote Kweno Luna, yes?
Yeah.
Bambote
Cueto Tuna.
Yeah, well done. Bambote Cueto Tuna. Well done. Nengba Tadiwa. Bambote kwa ubena. Just repeating the question.
Bambote kwa ubena.
Yes, Bambote kwa bena. Yes. We're talking about the third person. Yes. Yes. Dr. David. Ekikutukiaki ozolanga kyo. Sorry, David hard. We're talking about the what are we talking about, Tatane? Can you help us?
I have to hear that one more time.
Oh.
Yeah, me too.
You know you slapped it. My question was Ekikutukiaki ozolanga kyo. Yes. Adjective, but it is demonstrative, yeah? Ikikutu kiaki ozolanga kyo. Your answer is simple. Ingeta. Yeah. Ingeta itoma. Remember ingeta.
Oh, okay.
Ingeta itomanga.
Itomanga.
Kyozolanga.
Kyozolanga. Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
object concord.
Yeah.
This is the demonstrative. Kikutu shirt, yeah. Kikutu kiaki ozolanga kyo. Remember that, David? Your adjective is kiaki. Kikutu, your object, yeah. Kikutu kiaki. So because it ki, then we have a kiaki.
Okay. I don't remember the adjective kiaki. What's the meaning, please?
You help us.
Would that be the
Kiaki in English very easy. THIS, yes.
This, yes.
Yes, Kikutu Kiaki. But in Kikongo, we have it depends on the class of words. I mean, how do you define it? Because if I said Diaki, Diaki complete. Can you add?
Diaki.
Yeah. What would be your
right? Egg?
Yeah, but your sentence. Diaki.
Okay, Diaki. What is it? Diaki Diame.
Diadi.
Diadi. Oh, Diadi.
Yeah, bravo. Diame means adjective, possessive. That's yes. Adjective.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you with me? Are you following me?
Yes.
When I say Diaki Diame, it's mine. Yeah, Diame. Diaki Diame. When I say Diaki Diadi, I'm pointing. Demonstrative.
That's you. Jackie Diadi.
No. Diaki Diadi. This, yes?
Yeah, you're saying this. Okay.
Oh,
this.
yes. Diadi means this.
Yeah. Okay. Diadi.
Diadi it means this, but be careful. Depends on the class of the words, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, that's what you were saying. Okay, if it's like kiaki because of I see. Okay.
Kikutu kiaki, demonstrative, yes?
Yes. So in that case, kiaki is this.
Yes. But in Kikongo, Kikutu kiaki, okay, this means kiaki this, but when I say diaki, I have to change my adjective. Are you following? So I did send you a list of words and adjectives, yes? Did you see that? No, I did in the past, I think 2 weeks ago. You have it.
Maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah,
You have it. You got this. Oh, if I say Luku Lualu, we have two things here. When I say Kikutu Kiaki, Ozolanga Kyo, so Kyo is your object, how do you call it? Concord, yes? Kikutu Kiaki, Ozolanga Kyo. Kyo because of my object is K, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Diaki Diadi, Ozolanga Dio. Your object concord is Dio because the D from Diaki. Yes? Confusing, isn't it?
No, I remember. I just have to go back and.
Yeah, now we need to apply it now. Okay, let's go then. Tata Allen. Eluku lualu. Ozolanga lo.
What do I say? Ingeta.
Ingeta, yeah. Ingeta itoma.
Itoma lo. No.
Yeah, Zolanga. Yes, itoma lo Zolanga.
Zolanga.
Yes. Eluku lualu. Lualu in English, Tata David? Eluku lualu. Lualu in English. Same words in English. Sorry?
Government.
No, I'm sorry, I'm confusing, sorry. Tata Allen, Lualu, in this case, Luku Lualu, In English, it's just the same word. TH.
Oh, this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tata David.
Oh, wow.
Do you see where I'm coming from, Tata David? In
Okay.
Kikongo, you have a class of words. I mean, in English, say everything you say THIS, but not in Kikongo, yes? Depends on the word.
Okay, so this has there's not one word. Okay, I got it. It has to match with the I guess the object.
Correct. Object, yes.
Okay,
The
so
object. Luku lualu. Uzolanga lo. Luku lualu. Lualu is your THIS, but it's lualu because my object is luku. L, yes? Tata?
Oh.
Yes.
okay, yeah, I think I got it.
Tata, yes?
Okay. Yeah. All right. I understand the concept. Yes, it's very different than having one word for this.
You're right. Very hard. That's why we need to focus on those words that matches those words that match the adjective. Tata,
Yeah.
Tata David, yes? Because not necessarily you will have kia with kyo. Not necessarily, yes? I say kima kikutu kiaki because the kikutu is a ki, kiaki in English THIS, yes, but in Congo that kiaki because of the object. When I say lualu, luku lualu, l, lualu is still in English same word. Yes.
Yeah.
It is Kikongo. Then what tell you? Question to you. Etu sansu toi tu ozolanga to.
I need to hear it again.
Ingeta itoma itoma. You answered ingeta.
Could you repeat the question?
Okay. Etu sansu toi tu ozolanga to. Basically, my object is to sansu. Adjective your toi tu. Object concord is to. Ekikutu sorry. Etu sansu toi tu ozolanga to. Ingeta itoma tozolanga. Yes?
So the answer is Ingeta Itoma Zolanga.
Itomato, you have to use your object concord.
Langa.
Itomato zolanga. Yes. Okay, anyway, time is gone. Then that VCD.
VCD.
Well done. That's the VCD.
BCD.
Yes, to understand, yes. You could say VCD or name what tell you Bakisi. Yeah, Bakisa, Visa, same thing to understand. Yeah, Kikongo is hard, you know.
So Tatampanzo, is it Mbakisi or Mbakisa?
No. When I ask you a question, Bakisi, you just make sure you just use the nasal, but the same word you're using. Bakisi, Mbakisi. Bakisi. Okay, Bakisi. Now negative, then what tell you? Bakisi. No. When it's negative, don't worry about the nasal. Bakisi. Yes, Kibakisiko. Yes, let's say. Hello. Tata, boa tarde, Tata Linaldi. Mavimpi, Mano Eduardo. Tata, can you translate, please?
Mavimpi meno yeno awansu luanga ikikongo.
Wanga is, in this case, wanga, it's your verb wa. Yeah?
True.
Yes.
Oh, listen. Oh,
Oh,
so
yes.
the thing is very happy. So the thing.
Can you
as Kikongo.
can you spot can you see the how do you call possessives? Yeah. How do you call suffix? Can you see them?
You
Two
said
words.
this.
Really,
Meno. Yeah. Can you see
Yeno.
meno?
Yeah.
Meno.
Yeno.
Meno. Yeah. Yes.
Meno, yeah.
Yeah. You many. Yeah. Meto. Yeto. Yes. Remember again. The person I was speaking on that video, because it's my accent, the Pwilu, you say yeno, but we say yenu. Union, you for union, you for union, yenu. This is it's Kikongo. Any languages are like this, yes. Kiambote, in my area we say kimbote, yeah, ki.
Kembota.
Yeah, Kiambote. Kiambote, yes. Okay, Tatale, quick, if you can translate, please.
Yeah. So what's the is that the verb lua?
The verb is
Okay.
wa.
Wow.
That
Okay.
lu,
Wow.
that lu is this. Remember lu? It's your second plural.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. It's the second. Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Did we cover that one? I think we did, right?
No. You have just the verb.
So
The
my
verb is
VP,
wanga. Yes. Carry on, please.
hello. I guess
Hello to you. Yes. You're my VP.
hello,
Yes. You hello.
to
Quote
you.
unquote. Mm.
I want
You
to.
all.
You all.
ALL. Yes. I want to mean everybody. Yes. You all.
Okay.
Greetings to you all.
Yeah.
Yes.
Greetings to you all.
Luanga.
Luanga. I know Nga is present tense, right? So I don't know what's the word, the verb wa.
Verb was to verb wa.
Is it to listen, to hear?
Yes. Yes. So you basically could say hello to you followers of Kikongo, learners.
Okay, learners of
Yeah,
Kikongo.
you're a listener of Kikongo. Could say that. See, thank you very much. Someone has written Tataka Kauzo Barozu Olukulwalo Zolangalo. Yes, see, well done. Muito obrigado. Thank you very much. Yes. Uzolangalo. Yeah. Luku, yeah. Luku is your object. Lualu is your adjective. Yes, yes. Lualu. Uzolangalo, lo is your concord, object concord. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Any questions? You done well, yes. At least you could understand my Kikongo of my area. That's good. Well done. Bravo. Yeah. See you next time.
It's good to hear.
Okay, Luenda Kambote.
Sala Kambote.
Sala Kambote.
Titundu, yo.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, William Longa, le coordonnateur, Père Mandela. Tony Masuti, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Boko. Philippe Kamango. Memba Masagila. Zotorukanu.
Manzale.